We've pushed our team really hard to get results that benefit not just the project, but our entire community. We've added green features that will conserve energy, and we've built this building to withstand a seismic event so that the people who walk through these doors every day will be safe.
This is a way to start a career as a carpenter. They came here, they visited when we had just stripped these columns, and just seeing their little faces in awe that was my proud moment. Just being a part of this Hoffman family and a part of this project, it's an honor, and to be asked to stand in front of you guys today is an honor.
When we finish this, you will see a building, but I think everybody that has worked on it will see something that helped move us forward as a community, help bring people together, and help change our industry.